No matter how big your fridge is, if there is no organization, it's gonna end up like this. And yes, who's gonna come and look into your fridge? It's your fridge at the end of the day. But if it's organized, I'm sure you are going to use everything which is inside your fridge and nothing is gonna perish. So today I'm going to organize this part of this fridge. We have Amazon Basic 564-liter fridge that has two parts. One is freezer and another one is fridge. So today I'm only going to concentrate on organizing in fridge part. So let's just get started. So first, as I cleaned and took all the things out, now I'm just going to clean it. I already gave a deep clean to this fridge some days before. So today I'm just going to rub it with a damp cloth and put everything back. So as you can see, in the first shelf I am keeping milk cartons and the juice boxes. That is it. And in the second shelf I'm keeping yogurt, curds and some open snacks, but I keep them in a box, like a disposable box that they send us with big basket or even with your food. Instead of buying new storage boxes, you can also use the boxes that comes with your takeout. It's a good way to store and it looks organized. And here I'm giving you some options to organize your fridge. I'm going to leave all the links in the description box so that you can have a look and check. These kind of storage boxes, they expand. They look lovely. And as they are clear boxes, you can easily see what's going on inside the box. Usually I would not recommend you to cutting the fruits and veggies in advance, but sometimes we are busy and we just want to save time, and especially like this, it's a watermelon, it takes so much space in the fridge, like we really had a big one. So I prefer to cut it and store it in this clear box, and even when Kiara opens the fridge, she definitely says, yes, I want to eat this. So now it's time to organize all the veggies that I ordered. We usually order from Milk Basket or Big Basket, and they send us these veggies in these plastic packets. And these packets have little holes that make sure that the veggies stay fresh for a little longer, at least for 3, 4, 5 days. आपके फ्रिज को आपको कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज करना है, इट्स टोटली अप टू यू. नोबडी कैन एक्चुअली force you to do something, but if your fridge is organized, it's definitely a good sign. So welcome to the after side of the organizing. Everything is in place, everything looks good, organized, and you can actually see what thing is where. Third shelf has butter, paneer. This thing is specially for vegetables. Bottom shelf is for tomatoes. Yes, I use my egg tray to keep the tomatoes. And the door side has the things that we usually use on daily basis. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe to my channel. And you can see the fridge has more space now.